Hello, in front of me I've got F125. In this video I'll show you how to set high-end graphics preset for this game. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your game and enter graphics settings. In video mode, select maximum resolution, full screen or full screen windowed. Enable VSync. Change refresh rate to maximum, disable frame rate limit, adjust anisotropic filtering to maximum, select anti-aliasing to DLSS or TAA if you don't want any smothering from the DLSS. Select anti-aliasing mode to quality and disable frame generation for best graphics experience. Also, you can keep dynamic resolution and set it to auto and balanced. Next, in detail preset, select ultra maximum with path tracing and ray reconstruction on. If the FPS target is too low with path tracing, you can enable frame generator. After all, go to benchmark and test your game. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.